Today I am reviewing the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum with Matrix Clean Navigation. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum AV2511AE is one of the more advanced robot vacuums designed to handle modern homes, especially those with pets, mixed flooring, and busy lifestyles. From the moment you set it up, it becomes clear that this isn't just a basic robot vacuum. It's a smart, automated cleaning system built for convenience and consistent performance. One of the standout features of this Shark robot vacuum is its powerful suction capability. It's designed to handle everything from fine dust and crumbs to larger debris and stubborn pet hair. Whether you have carpet, hardwood, or tile floors, it adapts well and maintains strong suction across all surfaces. For pet owners, this is especially important because pet hair tends to get embedded deep into carpets. This vacuum does a great job pulling that hair out efficiently, reducing allergens and keeping your home cleaner overall. Another major highlight is the Matrix Clean Navigation system. Instead of randomly moving around like older robot vacuums, this model follows a precise grid pattern. It goes over areas multiple times in different directions, ensuring no spots are missed. This results in a noticeably more thorough clean, especially in high-traffic areas where dirt tends to build up. Over time, you can really see the difference in how evenly and consistently your floors stay clean. The 360 degrees LiDAR mapping technology is another feature that really enhances its performance. The vacuum quickly scans and maps your home, learning the layout with impressive accuracy. It can detect obstacles, avoid furniture, and even clean in low-light conditions without any issues. This smart mapping allows you to customize cleaning zones and set no-go areas through the app, giving you full control over where and how the vacuum cleans. One of the biggest conveniences of this model is the XL self-emptying base, which can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. This means you don't have to empty the dustbin after every cleaning session, which is a huge time saver. The bagless design also means you're not constantly buying replacement bags, making it more cost-effective in the long run. The self-empty feature truly makes this vacuum feel hands-free for weeks at a time. The self-cleaning brush roll is another important feature, especially if you have long hair or pets. Hair can easily get tangled in traditional brush rolls, requiring constant maintenance. With this system, hair wrap is minimized, and the brush roll continues to perform efficiently without frequent manual cleaning. This keeps maintenance low and performance high. When it comes to usability, the voice and app control options make this vacuum extremely easy to operate. You can start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions using your smartphone or through voice assistants like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. This means you can control your cleaning from anywhere, even when you're not home. The ability to schedule cleanings is especially useful for maintaining a consistently clean environment without having to think about it. Another smart feature is the recharge and resume function. If the battery runs low during a cleaning cycle, the vacuum automatically returns to its dock, recharges itself, and then picks up right where it left off. This ensures full coverage of your home, even in larger spaces, without you having to intervene. This vacuum is clearly designed with pet owners in mind. Between the strong suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and large self-empty base, it handles pet hair and messes with ease. It also helps capture dust and allergens, making your home healthier overall. The build quality and design also deserve mention. The cool gray finish gives it a modern look, and its compact design allows it to fit under furniture and reach tight spaces. It comes with essential accessories like a side brush and filter, making it ready to use right out of the box. Overall, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a powerful, smart, and highly convenient cleaning solution. It combines strong performance with intelligent navigation and minimal maintenance, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to automate their home cleaning. Whether you have pets, kids, or just want to save time, this robot vacuum delivers a reliable and thorough cleaning experience day after day.